We're out here at the Deniliquin Golf Club and we're supporting the Deniliquin Mental Health Awareness Group, who were successful in receiving a grant through our community grants program last year. And it's great that we can be out here tonight and support the workshop that they're running, which contributes a program called Are You Bogged Mate, which is all about awareness around mental health and wellbeing for men. So it's great to have over 150 men from the local Denny region and surrounding suburbs come together and hear from Mary from Are You Bogged Mate, who's done some fantastic things across the mental health and wellbeing space.
We've done our blokes events for about 4 years. We try and do them at least once a year, but we've got a great group of people and we've got a really supportive community who supports us in the work that we do. The GrainCorp grant came up and we applied for that because it really fitted into that rural mental health and into that farming space. And for us as a group, it's about making conversations about mental health a lot easier.
I think it's great working for a company like GrainCorp that can support organisations and events like this, especially with a lot of farmers being a male-based community working rurally, and especially for younger people to be more vigilant of it and to sort of break those stigmas going forward. I think it's great that GrainCorp can support events like this to look after the local community, sort of where it matters, I suppose.
You know, mental health is just part of our health. Continuing that messaging that there is help. You can't always find the face-to-face help exactly when you want it, but that there are lots of options for help here. So if they go away, they've got some more information about the signs and symptoms to look out for. They know where to go and find the help and they know how to look after their mates. We're happy.
You know, it gives us such pride to be able to give back to the local Deniliquin community and really embrace what mental health and wellbeing is all about, and it's a great program to get behind.